So in this tutorial, we learn how to zoom in and zoom out in your code editor. So the first method is hold on the Ctrl key and the plus key, and you can see that our code has been zoomed in. And to zoom out, hold on the Ctrl key and the minus key, and you can see that our code has been zoomed out. So to do the same process using the wheel of your mouse, so click on the settings icon, which is at the left bottom of the screen, and click settings, and here you can search zoom. So you see mouse wheel zoom and check it. So we can close it, and we can hold the Ctrl key and use our wheel to zoom in and zoom out. You can see that our code has been zoomed out, and to zoom in, you can see that it has been zoomed in. So that's how to zoom in and zoom out. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.